Well, here's a great question that I really got happy that somebody asked me. And the question is, let me just read it here. Yeah, what's the best way to negotiate a reverse mortgage? That's a really good question. Most people think they're not negotiable, that the terms are black and white, and they're not. But typically, and again, it depends on the situation, whether it's a refinance or a purchase. But typically, if it's a refinance and using the equity, leveraging the equity in your home, there's things you can do. Typically, we never charge an origination fee. We get paid plenty of money by our investors. We don't need to charge an origination fee. There are cases where it will make sense to pay one, but I would say that that's not too frequent. Definitely, you want to not pay a mortgage origination fee. In many cases, if there's a lot of equity in the home, we'll even pay some or all of the costs. Sometimes the mortgage insurance costs will pay. Sometimes the rest of the closing costs will give you credit. We've just done several like that. So you can actually get a reverse mortgage at no cost. But again, it depends on your situation and whether you've got equity in the home, whether you don't have equity in the home, whether you're paying off a mortgage or not. It really just depends on your situation in terms of what you can do. But as far as negotiating, it's a really good question, because you definitely should not be paying an origination fee in most cases. Now, on a purchase, if you're using a reverse mortgage to purchase a home, many times that cannot be waived, but in some cases it can be. So you definitely want to check around and make sure that you're getting the best deal. I guess the other thing I would say is you want to talk to financial advisors, estate planners, trusted advisors, people who can give you really good advice, CPAs, financial planners, those types of folks who are really out to look for your best interest. You could also ask the loan officer that you worked with the last time how you might go about getting one. But as far as negotiating, yes, the terms are flexible. They're not black and white, and there's a lot of ways to look at a reverse mortgage. Hope that helped.